Hello everyone. This is our project for Team 711 called Tackling Epilepsy through Safe Usage Pillbox and Alarm app.
Hey, I'm Ravi, and I was in charge of making the app.
I'm Simon. I was charged with 3D printing and building.
I'm Chio and I'm in charge of documentation and presentation. So our co-designer. Our co-designer name is Miss Harris and her condition is epilepsy, which is defined as a mental condition where she's not able to intake multiple information at the same time, and as she describes it, her brain kind of short circuits after too much information. Her hobby is doing chores, walking, volunteering, and gardening. And what she wants is to live life as happy as she can. So summary of her needs. She wants an alarm that reminds her to take the pill. These pills are medications that helps her to suppress the symptoms of epilepsy, which is defined as seizures. Next is a pill box that correctly dispenses the machine without mistake. Because this pill is directly linked to her having or not having epileptic seizures, a pill machine that mistakenly dispenses the wrong pill can potentially be lethal. So it is of the utmost importance for a pill box to not make any mistake. And lastly is that her family must be contacted every time there's an alarm.
So our initial design was that we were going to create a pillbox and an app. So the pillbox has a button in it, and when you open up the pillbox, um, it will send a signal via Bluetooth to the app, and the app will send a message to whoever contact that she listed in the app. The app also sets a time frame for the button for when she's taking the meds. Okay, so for our first prototype, we created, so as you can see, our demo app here. It's when you can set the time, and it plays a different sound every single time the alarm goes off. And we created 3D CAD for our pillbox, and an Arduino monitored whether the button was pressed and sent a signal via Bluetooth to the phone. Okay, but our limitations though was that the app would crash every couple of times we tested it, and the pillbox was the wrong dimension, and the Arduino battery could not fit in it. And the problem with the Arduino, though, is that the Bluetooth would disconnect, so it was hard to send messages to using the phone. And also, what if she ran out of charge for her phone? We couldn't send signals to the phone to send the messages.
So this is our prototype 2. So first, we redesigned the app as this app now can use Bluetooth for low energy, and it was also redesigned to look a little better. And we also redesigned the pillbox. Now this pillbox is a little bit bigger because our last pillbox, it wasn't big enough to fit the Arduino and the battery. So that's why we redesigned the pillbox, and also we added some new components to the Arduino as we switched from sending messages, SMS messages over Bluetooth to sending it over SIM card, as we didn't want to be limited by the range of Bluetooth. So that's why we added SIM card. We also changed it to an ESP32 to save space on a Bluetooth module, as ESP32 has Bluetooth built in. So there's some limitations to the design. So for example, one of them, the one major one, was we need an Apple developer account in order to utilize Bluetooth Low Energy on iOS for our app, which is well outside our budget. And also, the Arduino GSM Shield is only compatible with 2G, and sadly, all phone providers shut down their 2G networks. Even T-Mobile, which we're using up until April 14th, 2024, when they shut down their last 2G servers. So now, next is our final design. So we switched from Bluetooth to Wi-Fi because we couldn't afford an Apple developer account. So we were able to use Wi-Fi to send messages. So here is our app on the left, and we also have the pillbox, which I have right here. So this is our pillbox, and this here is our pillbox, and we have our button. So this has the Arduino inside, and this holds the pills. As you can see, it holds 4, and it holds more, a little bit more too, down there. And next we have the Arduino. So we redesigned this Arduino a little bit as we started to use Wi-Fi instead of Bluetooth. So we were able to remove the GSM model as we sent messages over Wi-Fi. So we were able to send SMS messages over Wi-Fi instead of using the SIM card, which overcame two of our limitations, having not being able to use Bluetooth Low Energy and also not being able to send messages.
In closing this project, we would like to offer our sincere gratitude for Ms. Harris, who has offered her unconditional assistance to us and who also has taught us that what matters in life is to go ahead, Even if someone is challenged, what matters is you don't give up and tries to live a happy life. So thank you, Ms. Harris, for all the assistance, and we close this project. Thank you.